Thanks for joining us here at Rockwell Automation. Today we'll demonstrate how to install the flex cable flange mount operator for the Bulletin 140G breaker. For this demonstration I'll be using the Bulletin 140G J frame, however the process is the same for other frame sizes. As always, safety is a priority. To prevent electrical shock, make sure to disconnect from any power source before installing or servicing the product. Note that the breaker should always be installed in a suitable enclosure and in an environment free from contaminants. If the breaker is not in the trip position, depress the trip button, and this will allow us to begin the process. Start by aligning the breaker to the mounting holes on the. Tighten the standoff screws to the specified torque in the instruction guide. Now place the actuator onto the breaker, making certain that the breaker lever is properly inserted into the actuator, and then secure the actuator with the screws provided in the kit, and tighten to the specified torque. Next we'll install the operating handle. First you'll want to confirm that the gasket is placed into the operating. Now place the handle into the enclosure opening and secure it by partially tightening the top screw. Now attach the flex cable mechanism to the operating handle. Note that there's a keyhole which allows you to slide the mechanism into place. Now secure the handle by installing the bottom screw. Now you can tighten both screws to the specified torque. Now it's important that you attach the actuator to the actual cable mechanism by inserting the actuator over the pin that you see coming out of the cable mechanism. You'll have to do this by releasing the defeater and moving the operating handle to the on position. Then secure with a cotter pin. Lastly, it's important to actuate the handle and confirm that the breaker is functioning as required. The breaker should click into the on and off positions. If not, you can use pliers and a crescent wrench to adjust the position of the actuator on the mechanism until the breaker operates correctly. Please follow the instructions as shown in the instruction guide. You've now successfully installed the flex cable operating mechanism for the 140G circuit breaker. If you have any additional questions, please visit our website at ab.com or contact your local distributor. Thanks again for joining me today at Rockwell Automation.